It's starting. I don't share moments like this online, but maybe this will be a lesson for someone. I'm really emotional for two reasons. I don't even know how to formulate my thoughts. Morning, guys. Let's look at this light. Hi, guys. Welcome to a new Pivot Diaries vlog, episode 3. I'm, again, really proud of myself for sticking to it. So, guys, I thought that I had found a quiet place to talk to you guys, but as soon as I turn on the mic, as you can hear, or I hope you cannot, someone just came and sat next to me and is talking really loud, so I'm sorry if you're picking up that noise. I'm about to board. I don't know what to expect when it comes to Invest Fest, but I'm hopeful that I'm gonna get something amazing out of this for me and for the projects that I have coming up. I guess we'll check in more when we get to Atlanta. I don't want to be in a rush getting into the plane. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a few. Have a safe flight, guys. Sorry? I just met the coolest guys. They asked me questions about what I was filming and what I do, and I was telling them that I'm a host and I travel around the world for the work that I do, and they were just so nice and so interested. No, I just arrived at my hotel, the Darwin in Midtown Atlanta. And because I just signed for my membership, I'm getting to spin the wheel and maybe win something. So watch me win.
Yay!
Like this?
Yes. Give it a big one.
Oh, that was slow. Damn. 250 points?
Nope, it looks like it's on 1,000 to me. It's on the 1,000 if
It's
you
on 1,000 points.
So, just so you know, you get 1,000 points for signing up, and then you won an extra 1,000. So you just got 2 points. 2,000 points for becoming a member of IHG. No, please don't. It's a happy moment. It's gonna be okay. Whatever it is, it's gonna be okay. Yes, you're blessed, baby. Blessed and beautiful. Don't you worry. And we got you here for 3 nights, right? Yes. So I put your membership card with your numbers right here.
Thank you.
Hilarious. What happened to the bag?
It's in the wall.
Oh. Okay, that's what you. Okay, whenever you're ready, you can tap. You
Okay.
Because if you tap the other one, it declines in most.
Oh, okay, okay.
Alrighty.
I'm telling you, electrician.
And the
Security, you
like
can make
honey.
those for candles.
No voucher.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
And if you're here on Sunday,
It's starting. I don't share moments like this online, but maybe this will be a lesson for someone. I'm really emotional for two reasons. I don't even know how to formulate my thoughts. I barely remember any of the things that the lady Marquita was telling me. when I was checking in downstairs, because my mind was just in so many emotions. But I landed in Atlanta. I was really excited, and then I got a phone call, and that phone call just completely broke me. I was just sitting in the Uber just thinking. I tried not to let my emotions out because I was in public and I didn't want to make myself look bad, make other people uncomfortable. And I'm a very emotional person, so things like this can really throw me off. But then I arrived here at the Darwin, and oh my God, that lady, it really is like God sent her. I was determined in the car to not let my spirit go down. I even wrote it down. I said, no one and nothing would stop me from pursuing the life of my dreams, especially in this season. Before, something like that would have just really shook me. As soon as I walked in, the energy of that lady, it was something else. It's like she was sent to just give me a spiritual hug. She was so kind. She was so nice. She had all the right words for no reason. I saw her, seriously. Like, she let herself be used, honestly. And I'm so grateful for her. So grateful for her. Sorry, guys. Hello? Yes, it's perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. She said, please stop crying. You're too pretty for that. She's really something else. But literally, I just feel like someone sent her. And this goes to say that everything is a mental game. And I feel when you make a decision to be a certain way, to think a certain way, to achieve something, if you stay in that mindset, no matter what happens, you will get back up. Like, you will pick yourself back up. Like, things would just align. When I think of the fact that I almost didn't stay in this hotel, when I was looking online, I was searching, I liked the pictures, and there was particularly one image that really struck me, and you'll see when I'll show you the images of the hotel. I don't know, it just spoke to me. It was either the Renaissance, the Hilton, or here, and I was like, I'm just gonna book here, I'm just gonna try. And honestly, I just feel like I was led. So I believe that this weekend is gonna be so special, so exceptional. There has to be a reason. Even the way I found myself here, how things were orchestrated, the all access pass, there has to be a reason why I'm here. And I know that it's gonna be special, and I know that it's gonna change my life forever and for the better. So I'm gonna stop crying, drink some water. I'm going to freshen up. I hope my makeup hasn't moved. I'm gonna check that out, and then I'm gonna call my Uber to head to the venue and get back to business. Thank you guys for listening to me for the past 5 minutes. Just stay focused. Once you have your objective, once you make that decision, just stay focused. So many things will come and try to shake you, will try to break you, will try to deter you from following your path. Work on your mind, stay focused, things will align. What is going on?
What year was it?
When? In Paris? Wait, hold on. Hello, the mayor! Hi, the vixen! What are you doing here? What do you mean? Okay. Yeah! Il y a quoi ce soir? It's day 2 of Invest Fest. Yesterday, I didn't talk much with you guys because it was a little bit hectic. I had a little hiccup, as you saw, and I think emotionally I was very overwhelmed. My period also started as soon as I got off the plane, so I think all of that mixed together was a cocktail of emotions that was difficult to contain. But I was able to at least get 4 interviews yesterday for the media. Today my plan is to attend at least 3 or 4 panels, try to catch as many people as possible for interviews. I got a few things from a shop at the vendor market called Live by Nature. The founder is making natural, organic, handmade products so affordable. I actually interviewed her for the media. She told me that her best-selling products are the charcoal toothpaste that are made with bentonite clay, spring water, coconut oil, activated charcoal oil, and essential oil blend. And she was telling me, because I told her that I had tried that before and it irritated my gums, but she was telling me that because of the coconut oil and it's made from coconut shells, the charcoal oil, so it's very gentle on the gums. So I'll try it and I'll give you guys a review. There was a opening night party yesterday, like a black tie event for the speakers and the guests and the VIPs and the all access. But when I got home, I tell you, I was knocked out. Like zero strength in me. I tried. I even laid my edges. I was planning on wearing the brown dress that I showed you guys in the other vlog, the one from Galipette Atelier with the cape. Dressing ready for InvestFest Day 2. I opted for my katu skirt and shirt, black shirt, and of course my cowboy boots. And they're so comfortable, by the way. I feel like I can walk for hours with this. I traveled with this. I came to the hotel. I did not take them off, did what I had to do, and then went straight to the venue. And I had them from basically 6:30 a.m. until 8 p.m. That's how long I was able to stay in them. Right now, I don't feel anything. They're so comfortable. They're dressy. And everybody, I kept getting stopped when I was at the conference yesterday by people saying, I love your boot, I love your boots, even here at the hotel. So yeah, I think I made a good choice. I'm going to wear them again tomorrow because they're comfortable, because they fit with all my outfits, and because that's what styling is about. It's like you take one piece and then you wear different outfits with it. You know what I'm saying? I am wearing my bag from my dear friend Ernest Danjuma. It's reversible, actually. Yesterday I wore this side. I like this side because I feel like it's a nice contrast with the black, but I'm gonna flip it. I'm gonna wear this side and this side as well today, depending on my mood. from time to time. I'm excited for day 2. I feel better, more energy. It's time to take chic to the world. It's time to put chic out there. Let's go.
In Atlanta.
I'm so happy to
Look
see
at that.
you. It's been
I was
too long.
superstar.
4 years, no?
Yeah, I think it's even more.
Kinshasa, no? Like the last time.
Like,
Yeah.
it was 4 years, huh? That moves fast.
Yeah, Makutano. And I'm actually, no, Level Up. No, it's Level Up.
Makutano?
It was Makutano,
Last time.
Level Up and Makutano. Yeah. Oh, she's here. Doro's here.
Good, man.
Hi, Sophy, Aiida.
Hi,
Nice to meet
Sophy,
you.
Aiida from
I just love how and how he talks about money so easily and so, I was like, so happy to see you. Glad to meet you too.
luxury interior wellness designer. Gordon Whittley, CEO of Whittley Agency Africa. Proud native Cameroonian and happy to speak to you all today.
This whole journey started with Shaka Bars. Shaka was the conduit and the person that introduced me to Rashad and Troy. And from Shaka, all of this was born. So big up to Shaka. This is what an actual connector looks like.
I'll take a photo of the two of you queens. Wait, what's happening over here?
Kevin State. You the photographer. Tell us.
Oh, that's fine. Okay.
We're
planning
you coming to the continent.
Absolutely. All the things. Get ready. Look out for us.
Exactly.
I love you, lady.
Love you. Have a good night. I was supposed to... Guys, I was supposed to be asleep. Just got invited.
No sleep for us.
Sleep for us. It's not a party, but it's a dinner.
But it's a
Because
dinner party.
It's not a dinner party. I told you guys I'm not doing parties right now. I'm here for work.
Being here for work doesn't mean that you cannot have dinner or parties, huh?
No party. I'm gonna put this thing right here because I don't know why she's bombarding. No party. It's a dinner. Yeah. See you at dinner. morning, guys. Today is day 3 and the last day of Invest Fest. I'm actually in the courtyard area of my hotel, just waiting for my Uber. She's gonna be there in 5 minutes, but I wanted to do this little check-in video with you guys. It's been so hectic, so hard to keep up with the vlog and the interviews and the networking and meeting people. Oh my God. It's I'm really trying, but I think that I'm doing a not so bad job. I haven't really had time to speak with you guys a lot, but I'm trying. Today is day 3, but I just want to give you a little recap of, let me just move this because the sun is shining. I don't know if you guys get a little bit of that sun on my face, it's shining on my face. I just want to tell you a little bit of what happened yesterday. Oh my God. Gratitude is so important, as well as just putting your intention in the universe. I made it a point, I made it so clear that I want to watch Steve Harvey's panel with Terrence J and Nick Cannon, and I really want to meet him one day. And I've always said that I would love to meet him. I just really like his business mindset and the investment and the strategy and the heritage that he's building and the legacy that he's building. And so yesterday, as you saw, after having lunch, I was trying to go to the restroom, but we were all trying to go to the restroom, and then my eyes just spotted someone like all the way in the back, and I was like, that's Steve Harvey, that's Steve Harvey. And everybody was like, where? I said, just right there. We got to meet him and speak with him for a good 15 minutes about the work that he's doing, the opportunities that he's creating for the younger generation, but also his desire to go back to the African continent and build something, a real legacy, real heritage, having real impact, not just going for photo ops and saying, oh yeah, I was there. We spoke about the fact that a lot of people want to be in front of the camera, but the big money and sometimes the big opportunities are also behind the camera, whether you are a producer, a director, or even a light engineer. And he was saying also that on some of the shows that he's worked on, the people that are doing lighting are making even more money than the director sometimes. So that was quite an interesting conversation. And I just love his mindset and how he approached his whole career. It was just fantastic. Also, I had the pleasure to meet both of the co-founders of InvestFest. There's actually 4 of them, if I'm not mistaken. But I met Troy and Rashad, and again, same energy. What they're doing and how they are isn't a stunt. It isn't a facade. They truly exude everything that they stand for. And I was delighted to have a few minutes of conversations with them. I was able to interview Troy, and again, just knowledge on knowledge and blessings on blessings. It's just been incredible. It's been incredible. I can't give you the whole feedback right now because my Uber is here in 1 minute and I still have to chug this water down before I join her. But I feel so blessed. I am so thankful for this community. See you guys soon. She's here. How are you? Good? I'm coming back tonight. Hello. Hi, sorry. Thank you.
so nice to meet you.
What do you want from me? Hi. Oh, wait. Good morning, beautiful people. Today is Tuesday and I'm leaving Atlanta tomorrow. Yesterday, I did not vlog because I really needed to rest. I needed to sleep. I'm gonna try to finish up my first vlog because I really wanted to go out this Sunday. I will still have to do a kind of trailer and also the thumbnail, so I have to figure all of that out. Atlanta has been so far an amazing experience. I don't even know what to say. I feel like I've been in this industry 20 years this year. I started my career in 2006. I feel like this past weekend was an acceleration. I experienced 20 years in 3 days from the amount of knowledge that I gathered, conversation that I've had, encounters, meeting some people that I would see on TV. But some way, somehow, I knew that I was going to meet one day. It's quite unreal, especially the fact that I had no guarantee that I was going to be here for this event, and I had no expectation of what I was going to experience. So I'm very thankful. I'm very grateful, and I'm also really happy that I just got up and went. Scared, unprepared, not knowing what would happen, feeling like I might not be in my place. And in the end, I was. I absolutely was. So, get up and go. Even when you feel not prepared enough, even when you feel scared, get up and go.